Now I'll introduce our whiteboard settings to you. Go to Whiteboard, and the settings is here. There are some choices. You can open file from local disk. There are some files, HW file, and you can open in cloud like Google Disk or OneDrive. Then you can save files. It supports you to save files directly to local disk or cloud, and as IWV, PDF, PNG format. Then the background settings. It supports you to choose different kinds of background or just customize the background. Then go to more settings. There are some choices for you. First, brush. You can choose the brush, handwriting brush as hey style or song style. It's combined with handwriting text recognition function. Next one is our handwriting recognition. It will recognize what you wrote in the whiteboard to the language you choose. There are several languages for you to choose, including Chinese, English, Denmark, and so on. You can also just follow the system. You see our system language is English, and you can choose handwriting pen and write horn. Then it will recognize what you wrote. Then go back to more settings. There is a paintbrush settings. It's combined with paintbrush. This is paintbrush. When you choose paintbrush, it will recognize what you paint. Into 6 choices for you, and you can choose some to add into whiteboard. But when you turn off this feature, when you turn off this switch, it will recognize what you paint as the most matching pattern directly. Then preference. This feature can remember the background and brush you used last time when you turn whiteboard on. When you next time turn whiteboard on, it will remain the same settings you done last time. Now I'll choose our brush as blue color, the most whites, and choose the background as this picture. Then turn off whiteboard. And next time when I get into whiteboard, it remains the same. Also the paintbrush. Okay, let's go back to more settings. There is a feature named pen rejection. Our whiteboard have a feature named pen eraser. It means you can use your pen as an eraser to clear what you write on the whiteboard. And when you turn on this feature, it won't recognize your pen as an eraser now. Then, last one is customer toolbar. Our toolbar is support to customize, and this is our toolbar. What we tickle in this menu will show here, just like this. And the other features will show in the toolbox.